Namaste, fellow yogis. Hello, how are you? Sending you lots of great energy today and every single day, especially when you tap into this video. My message for today as a yoga guide is this. No matter what is going on in the outer realms, the outer world, like think about it. So much is going on right now. So many unknowns, so many divides. We all know this. Yes, we do. Yet, what do we do about it? As an individual, your intentions are your manifestations of what is possible in your now moment. What is now important in the moment to moment practices of being present is the most important. What to do now is to do it now. Does that make sense? So listen, when you begin your journey and you start to set an intention, that intention is already manifesting. That intention, the possibilities are already accumulating. The direction in which you wish to go in is already the path before you. It is the moment to moment, in the moment, now, breathing, mindfully clearing, making clear decisions that will uplift and support the intentions that you thought of that are now unfolding. So yes, the whole paradigm shift is happening globally. Government, education, health, medical, it's all changing. What can you do about this right now? Not fear. That's a choice. You can fear all you want. Where is it going to get you? Nowhere. What you want to, or the invitation, the need for today is to love the self in your sovereignty, meaning in your gifts, in your karma, in your being, in your journey, is to live in the moment, supporting your intentions for the greater good, not the narcissistic ones, the greater good. So I am every day showing up on my mat for the yoga practices. I am kindly in the moment, noticing the struggles, noticing the paradigm shifts, noticing the triggers, and I am aware in the moment and dissolving them as I am in the moment. So no need to worry about the future. It's already unfolding. It is the moment now. So pay attention to how you are choosing to respond or react. Respond or react. For the greater good to ascend, it begins with you and your sovereignty and who you are and the gifts that you've brought to this world. So stay on path, stay on track. What you manifested or what you're manifesting, the intention has already begun because you set that a while ago, and we're all doing that. Like today, I have a new intention. I plant new seeds, and that starts to unfold in the now. Did you get what I'm saying? Is this complex? Be here now. Be here now and make clear, kinder, more loving decisions that will uplift and support you on your journey, and especially meeting your needs for the greater good so that you may ascend and support all those that surround you. You cannot control those people around you. You can be in your glory, your light, your sovereignty by just being awesome. So be awesome today. Be here now. Breathe healthfully, move mindfully and healthfully. Say helpful, kind words. Be love. From my light to your light. Teresa Gueño, that's my name, and that is my website, teresagueño.com, where the practices of yoga are there for you. One day at a time, one moment to moment. Breathe here now. Namaste. You've got this.